I think that settles that. Oh! Bazillion spider webs. We got 4 catalytic converters, so my wife won't be complaining while we're driving. Would you just look at it? I am so excited. This is a huge step for mankind and my YouTube channel. And it's just got me excited. It's got me absolutely pumped. I did manage to save all the good stuff, like, you know, low mileage, good UV protected seals, the doors, the panels. The leather is going to be saved. I don't know if I'm going to use the back seat or the front seat in the truck. I'm thinking the front seat, or I may just have a nice seat done. I have the seat in the truck. So let me figure out what I'm doing with this windshield. I'm probably going to cut it off right here. I'm trying to save this dash. I want to be able to drive this car on the frame, make a couple videos with it, and not have any messed up dash. That's just my goal. I got to get this on the trailer. I'd like to get these out of the shop. If anybody needs these, please message me, comment me. My email is associated to the YouTube channel. And I got a bunch of glass to clean up. I have to vacuum this entire floor. Myself and my daughter come in here barefoot quite frequently. So there's gonna be a lot of sweeping and vacuuming. I gotta get this cleaned up. Other than that, I'm tickled pink. So we'll see you on the next video. Maybe if I can get this thing rolled out, we'll take a look at it. Let me get all the glass off of it. That'll be a really good thumbnail. Man.